Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
When they saw Sati leaving alone very rapidly, thousands of Lord Shiva's disciples, headed by Manaman and Madha, quickly followed her with his bull Nandi in front and accompanied by the Yaksas. Sati was going very fast so that she might not be checked by her husband, but she was immediately followed by the many thousands of disciples of Lord Shiva, headed by the Yaksas, Manaman and Madha. The word Gata Vyatha, used in this connection, means without fear. Sati did not care that she was going alone, therefore she was almost fearless. The word Anukara is also significant, for it indicates that Lord Shiva's disciples were always ready to sacrifice anything for Lord Shiva. All of them could understand the desire of Shiva, who did not want Sati to go alone. Anukara means those who can immediately understand the purpose of their master.